It's extracted from coconut oil, and a lot of other MCTs are from palm kernel oil, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's more likely to be organic, from organic coconuts, for one thing. You would have to drink a lot more coconut milk to get the fuel that you would get from taking pure MCT, to get the levels. If you shake a coconut that's not super young, you'll hear the water in there. So it helped humans survive early on in the tropical areas, which is where people evolved. It was a great source of food. One coconut palm can have 70 to 90 coconuts a year that will drop off of it. There's water with electrolytes and minerals and vitamins, and the milk and the meat you can eat, and it's just incredible. When you take MCT 143, you're getting both organic virgin coconut oil, the whole coconut oil, with the MCT oil. And then the phosphatidylcholine, that's very beneficial for the brain. It supplies substance that's often deficient. Younger, healthy people often don't get enough choline in their diet. But the virgin coconut oil has some additional properties about it. It contains lauric acid that's not in MCT oil. And lauric acid is antimicrobial. It even kills the bacteria that cause dental cavities. It kills the bacteria that causes acne. You could literally use it on your face or swish it in your mouth. A lot of people swish coconut oil in their mouth for the antimicrobial properties of that lauric acid. And then another cool thing about lauric acid, there was a study just a few years ago by a group in Japan who were very interested in what happened to my husband. And they found that lauric acid directly stimulates ketone production, potently stimulates it in astrocytes, which are cells in the brain that nourish other brain cells. And they did this in cultures, and it needs to be proven that this happens in living creatures. But it could explain a lot about how my husband improved so much with really relatively low ketones from just coconut oil.